What we discussed last class? We started reactions, okay, oxidation, reduction differences. So everyone you done oxidation means n factor how to calculate. Is it clear? Yeah, you don't want balance by using law of equivalence anywhere. So all people you prepared n factor how to calculate. They're perfect now. Okay. Calculate the n factor of. Calculate for n factor. Right? So everyone you can note down on your class notes and write. And calculate the equivalent weight of central answer. GW of EAO equal to VRMS 11th Hema. Please send first question answer. Kalai Priyan, please send ninth question answer. Ninth. Sri Lekha, send third question. Sri Lekha. Zr zirconium. Zr zirconium. Not zinc. First question. Please mention question number at least, otherwise we can write molecule. N factors you need to find out all these things. Complete. But still not responding, sir. I asked some people answers, but those people are not responding. Remaining people, they given answers. Sanjay Kumar, MgSO4 N factor how much? How much? Sanjay Kumar. You wrote one N factor, sir. How is it possible? They whom I asked that those people who respond answer, sir. I asked 3 people, I think so, 3 or 4. I go back crisscross, you will get charges. So you get here zirconium plus 4, phosphate 3 minus. You can calculate here how many zirconium, 3, 3 into 4, 12, or phosphate, 4 phosphate, 4 into 3, even 12. Any one you can calculate, sir. 12 is the n factor. And AgCl is 1 n factor. Here plus 7 oxygen state, here plus 2. Difference how much? 5. 5 is the n factor. Here plus 6, but change plus 3. Difference is 3, but how many chromium here? Into 2, 6. KTSO4, 2 n factor. Here MgSO4, 2 n factor. This is 2, sir. Either calcium or HCO3 minus you can take. 2 n factor, 7. 8 also 2 n factor. Here you can go again back crisscross. 4 you can write for top of the complex. 1 you can write for potassium. So K FeCN6, even doesn't matter you know or not, minus 4. So 4 is the charge, we can take n factor is 4. Otherwise 4 into potassium 1, n factor is 4. Here, sir, n factor is 2. So 56 by 2. What's your doubt here? Why most of the people, some people, they are given wrong answers? Alright, discuss in class notes, KMNO4, K2CR, 207, everything. So you are not practicing. Check it all your answers again. Right, should be perfect all these things. Even you are asking now 12th standard students also they can't give answers. Okay, like that we are going to be prepared now. Even we are preparing like that only. If you ask same thing for your 12th standard students, maybe 50% of the students they can't answer. Who are going to write JEE and NEET exam also. So believe that one we are doing very well. So prepare concentratedly. We can get. Little bit workout. No need much more. Just what I am giving class notes. And if you have some textbooks, refer and complete. I given 9th question. You can see back crisscross. I given back crisscross. This is 1, sir. Complex. Here potassium is 4. You can go back. Potassium is plus 1. And complex is 4 minus. How many potassium? 4. 4 into 1. You can take. That will get 4 is the n factor. Or charge of anion. How much charge of anion? 4. Anyone will get 4 is the n factor. Any other? Take positive charge or negative charge. No, calcium 2 plus. or oxygen 2 minus. Anyone you can take, you will get n factor is 2. Got it? Ag plus 1, Cl minus 1. Array salt or base doesn't matter. Can get na calcium charges you get na oxide, basic oxide. Check it, your n factors. Array everything I given in class notes only. I'm not asking new questions. Only 2 or 3 new, remaining all are in class notes only. Check all n factors I wrote here. For fourth one, n factor is 6. For third one, n factor is 5. These two cases I mentioned in class notes. Should not ask again how sir it this is. Okay. I given class notes, please check it. Not jet, zirconium. Array, Harish PSP. So didn't learn still periodic table. So tomorrow I'm going to be asking periodic table all the people. You have to write and send. I will give 10 minutes time. By mistake you have done any mistake, you have to write periodic table 10 times. First thing. After that 100 times only. Should not ask symbols. What the symbols are, where we can get. We should be learn periodic table. I given I think so 1 week back. Yes, all periodic table you have to learn. Every day one group I told na. Every day group wise, group 1, group 2 I told every day. So almost over na. Now 10 days over. Complete periodic table you have to learn. Complete. No question that, no exceptions. You have to write complete periodic table. Learn that is. Only a block elements you can learn horizontally, but remaining all you can learn vertically. I didn't forget homework. I given that is like that you have to prepare everyone. That is parallelly will come that homework only. That's you have to study, sir. Sir only given starting S and P block. He didn't ask still. No, you have to learn remaining also. Why you are waiting for me? Suppose I told that one don't write J NEET exam. Don't write. You won't write. You write na. So learn everything, including lanthanide actinides also. Someone they learn up to 60 elements. Very good, sir. Very good. Learn remaining also. Yes, D block also. D and F everything. Fine. Okay. To discuss remaining things, again we are going to discuss few things which is remaining all these things. Come back. For your NCRT book, this is find out which chapter that is. Chapter number 4 or 5 you can find out. And write what is the redox reaction, all these things, sir. I'm looking your NCERT book, what they given. Just give me 1 minute time. Think so. Part 2, Unit 1, sir, redox reaction. Okay. You can follow your NCERT book, whatever they given. Now today we have to read your NCERT book redox reactions. I will discuss briefly here. What's the redox reaction means? You can write definition. The reaction in which oxidation reduction both occur simultaneously is called redox reaction. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously. Those reaction is called redox reactions. And you can see those example which is they given in your textbook only as it is. You can note down just definition only, sir. The reaction in which oxidation reduction occurs simultaneously is called redox reactions. Right? 10th standard already you know this one. Huh? Yes. All these things which you already know, those things only. For example, they given magnesium plus oxygen. Example they given make and take solid gas MgO. So is it oxidation or reduction? Can you find out which is oxidation done, which is reduction, sir? Magnesium zero oxidation state. I think you know elemental state is zero. Already we discussed that one. Here magnesium is +2 oxidation state. So loss of electrons, what we call, sir? Oxidation. Here zero oxidation state, elemental state. Here -2. Gain of electrons, what we called? Reduction. Please note down. Right. For oxygen reduction, who is the responsible, sir? Here, oxygen taking electrons because of whom? Magnesium. So who is the responsible for reduction of oxygen here? Magnesium. So can I say this is a reducing agent? Because of oxygen, magnesium loss of electron takes place. That's why can I say this is oxidizing agent? Please note down. Please note down. Now this chapter you can understand very fast because already we work out something how to calculate oxidation states because already done some groundwork. The same thing I'm repeating here. If anything's already I discussed that concept, again I'm not going to discuss. You have to copy from that here again. Clear? Now I need differences between you make and take here also, sir. H2S plus O2 gives rise sulfur plus H2O. Which is oxidation, which is reduction? Please find. Can you find which is oxidation, which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent, or which is oxidation, reduction? Same like SPS is oxidizing agent. We can balance, doesn't matter, na? You can take oxygen half. Check it. Fine. Some people they given correct answers. Here sulfur oxidation state how much, sir? Hydrogen is +1, so sulfur is -2. Right, generally hydrogen is +1. I given rules, all the rules. I hope you revised yesterday. I'm expecting. Huh? Is 0. This is not combined with anyone. So oxidation. This is 0 oxidation state, sir. 0 oxidation state. This is -2. 0 to -2. What we called gaining of electrons, so reduction. Understood? So can you find this is reduction and oxidation? So which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent? Which reduction means that's only oxidizing agent. Which is oxidation means that's only reducing agent. So H2S we called reducing agent. O2 we called oxidizing agent. Clear? Any doubt? Yes, next step that's only basic definition also we are going to expect from you people. Yes, yes, we can write. Doesn't matter. Clear? Our oxidation number, oxidation state almost same. We done that is how to calculate oxidation numbers. So if any minor difference is there, we'll discuss that is. Is it clear? Fine. Now I need differences between oxidation and reduction, sir. Right? Oxidation and reduction differences I need. Right? Already I think she noted down these definitions. So again, you don't want to write, but you have to maintain class notes very clearly. Please write one more time. This definition here only how to write. Because that is we given something groundwork. Initially, all basics we required. Clear? That's why given. So again, you need to write everything, sir, here. So oxidation definitions we need and reduction definition you have to write. Now write first in your notes. Either you can copy from your class notes or you can write. Once completed, let me know that one. Take 2 minutes time, please write. By 10:20, you have to complete, sir. Differences. Right. No need to, I know that one you know very well, but write in your notes. After completed, let me know that one. The differences. Right, how many can write maximum? Huh? I think 4 to 5 points you required. So addition of oxygen, removal of oxygen. You can write all these things. I already know that one. Second one, removal of hydrogen. This is removal of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen, addition of electronegative element, addition of electropositive element, example sodium, potassium, rubidium, EC, all which is can donate electrons. That's your target, sir. Here you may can take fluorine, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen, like that. And last one, you may can write more also, sir. Increase in oxidation number, increase in oxidation number, decrease in oxidation number. Right. Increase in oxidation number, decrease in oxidation number. If you have more definitions also, you can search and write. That's your notes, sir. You can make it notes powerful. Okay. Maximum points you can collect and write. Your notes should be top compared to you people yourself. You have to feel happy, that is. If you don't want to write points, don't write and skip also. Up to you, that is. Who can write everything properly, they will get some benefit. Now that's up to you. Is it clear? Next, right? Oxidizing agent. What we call oxidizing agent? Please can write. Right. It undergo reduction. It undergo reduction, comma, it gains electrons. If anything sentence formation is not good, you can make very good sentence, sir. I am giving just normal. I'm not that much expert in English. It gains electrons. Write these 2 points. After that, it may have maximum oxidation number, sir. Maximum oxidation number, or it lost almost all electrons, sir. Okay. It may lose it already, sir. May lose almost all electrons. Examples I will give, sir. Don't worry. It may lose all electrons also. Okay. From here you can keep in bracket, because that is not official definition. For understanding purpose I given. It's not official. This is for understanding purpose I given that word. किसको बना गया? Check it. For example, H2SO4. What is the sulfur oxidation states are here? Anyone can you find, please? +6. Very good, sir. Sulfur is +6. So sulfur maximum oxidation number also +6, sir. Sulfur maximum oxidation number. Oxidation number also +6. If you have any doubts, please look into here. Again, I'm explaining. Sulfur valence electrons 286. I hope you know very well. So 10 is the inert gas configuration, that is neon. After that, they can't lose. They can lose up to 6 electrons only. They can lose 6. So you'll get after that sulfur +6. That nothing but 2,8 only configuration. This is more stable. So any element they can lose maximum number of electrons equal to its valency electrons. I explained these concepts in oxidation number calculations. Also I explained. You may can see that video. Or I think so. Today I uploaded one which is peroxy bonds. We are calculating. Today I uploaded one thing. You may can see that also. How to calculate oxidation number of peroxy compounds, which you are getting mostly confusion. 4 molecules I mentioned today. I uploaded morning. You may can see that is. If you need any requirement. So this is the maximum oxidation state, sir. So sulfur, now they can gain only electrons. Sulfur is +6. There is no option. It can gain only electron. They can't lose electrons. Electron gaining means reduction or oxidation? Reduction. So electron gaining means reduction means it is oxidizing agent. So by it may can go +4, it may can go +2, it may can go 0, it may can go -2. Up to these the chances. Even intermediate oxidation states also possible. +1 also possible. I think so. Praveen, you may have seen that one. Good. That can take space. Oxygen will take electrons. That can need more energy. Fine, I can accept. But oxygen is taking that. Oxygen can take care about that one. Opposite person is very strong. Doesn't matter how much energy required. That will take. Are you able to hear my voice or not? Okay, fine. Now you can check it. Whenever my voice is breaking, let me know that one. I can repeat at least one more time. Fine. I think so. You understood this point. So any element can show maximum oxidation state equal to. Please note down that point, sir. Any element maximum oxidation state equal to its valence electrons. Please note down that point. Any element can lose maximum number of electrons or maximum oxidation state of that element equal to its valency electrons. That is the point you have to note it down. So can you find out here which is oxidizing agent? I am giving list of that one. KMNO4, K2Cr2O7, Mn2O7, CrO3, Cr Cr2O7. Okay, wait. Cr2O7. Please note down, sir. HNO3, HClO4, H3PO4, H2SO4, N2O5, P2O5, or P4O10, SO3, I'm writing bleaching powder, sir. CaOCl2, this is the major component in bleaching powder. Okay, write this many first. You can check it. Which can act as oxidizing agent among these. Just underline or tick it. What's the minimum condition, sir? Which should have maximum oxidation number. Which one have maximum oxidation number that can act as oxidizing agent? So your question is, which of the following acts as oxidizing agents? Array Harish PSP. Next, I think so. Surya and Murugadas, they are planning Ghazni 2 movie. I think so. They will take you only hero. Array waste fellow. We are discussing oxidation number, oxidizing agent. Again, you are asking what you have to find out, sir. Huh? Check it. But more oxygen atom anyway that have, but all more oxygen atoms they contain, they may can show may not be. But we can't say that is relatively that character. But you can find out oxidation number, that is easy. Huh? Yes, anyway that should have more oxygen or halogens, sir, which is the opposite, not only oxygen, even they have other things also. Can you find Mn plus 7 oxygen state? It can show. Mn can show maximum plus 7 only, sir. Hurry, how to remember this is? Which is I'm giving all these compounds, read twice, thrice, and try to remember. After that, you will get wherever they're asking questions, you may can do very well. Please remember these things. Some basics only. Our chapter name only some basic concept and redox reactions. These two chapters, whatever I'm explaining, you have to mug up and you have to remember with heartfully. If you are mug up without using brain or heart, we can't do anything, sir. Again, after mug up also, you have to recollect when we are asking. Chromium plus 6. Chromium can show maximum plus 6 oxidation number only. Here, Mn how much, sir? Plus 7. I think so. You know how to calculate oxidation number. This is plus 6 plus 5. Nitrogen plus 5 plus 7 plus 5. This is P4, sir. PO4 plus 6 plus 5. Even plus 5 plus 5 plus 6. This is special CaO, Cl and Cl. This is the structure, sir. So it will give CaCl2 plus oxygen. Wherever you are getting nascent oxygen, that is strong oxidizing agent, because oxygen is highly unstable. One oxygen, that's we call nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen, which is nascent oxygen or nascent gas element. Those are highly unstable. They immediately can react with opposite one. Immediately. So oxygen is a strong electron neutral element that can gain electrons. That's the reason this oxidizing agent. All these can act as oxidizing agents. Please check it. Any doubt? Mn maximum oxidation state how much? +7. Chromium how much? +6. Please remember these things. With example and molecular mention. Array, take fun. Harish PSP, just take fun. Don't take seriously. Huh? Array, after my classes started, you can get this word very soon. You can ask your seniors. Huh? My generally I'm using word is only waste fellow word. Don't take anything personally. Just fun. Check it. All these are oxidizing agents only. Nascent oxygen is zero oxidation state, but that can gain electrons very fast. What's the purpose here? Maximum oxidation state. What's the role they are doing? If they have maximum oxidation state, what they can do? They can gain electrons or not? Our purpose is who can gain electrons, that is acts as the oxidizing agent. That's the main theme. That's don't forget that one. Huh? Main theme is who can gain electrons, those are the oxidizing agent. Doesn't matter they have oxygen, maximum oxidation state or low oxidation state, doesn't matter, that is. Who can gain electron, that is oxidizing agent. Array, you need to consider KMnO4 is one compound. Don't consider Mn. Mn alone that can't act as oxidizing agent. Whenever Mn combined with oxygen, then only they can show +7. Okay. After only they can show KMnO4. You have to see complete molecule or MnO4 minus. If there is no oxygens, how they can have +7 oxidation state? Then they won't show oxidizing character. Na? Any other please? Santosh Kumar. Yes, sir, you can ask all your doubts, doesn't matter. But once clear your doubts, be confidently next time. Then your reading also should be fine. Can we move next? Yeah, we'll discuss, sir. You don't worry. Akshesh number, everything we'll discuss. Someone there asking doubt that missing. Yes, all oxidizing agents undergo reduction. Array, waste fellow reduction meaning what is that? Gaining of electrons only, na? Gaining of electrons, what is the definition you noted down? Please check it. Oxidizing agent definition. Array, by solving 3-4 examples, you forgot definition only. Oxidizing agent means what that? Itself it gain electrons, reduction. There's the reason, na? Please check it. Already we given 2 examples. This is a basic point. Keep in mind the element which will have maximum oxidation number. It can gain electrons. It can act as oxidizing agent. Please look into that, and under note you can note down that point. Again, you won't get that point, sir. Wait, CaOCl2. Okay, you need oxidation number. Fine, sir. Most of the people are asking. Please note down. CaOCl and Cl. This Cl is -1. Oxygen always -2, sir. This is +1. This is +2. Please check it. This is the structure and note down. Metal halogen bond is ionic bond. Chlorine is the more electronegative atom -1, but oxygen always -2. You may can get due to oxygen -2, chlorine will get positive charge, and calcium also will get positive charge. Sanjay will discuss about noble gases when they came situation. Right now, leave that one. Concentrate which I am giving these things. Why not +1? Array, oxygen is more electronegative. They need 2 electrons. 1 electron given by chlorine, other electron given by calcium. -2 is over, and calcium will get positive +1, and 1 more electron taken by this chlorine. Cl is -1. This is +2. Calcium can donate 2 electrons. Ca +2, na? 1 electron donated to oxygen, other electron donated to chlorine. So calcium plus 2. But oxygen required 2 electrons. 1 electron taken from calcium, other electron taken from chlorine. So minus 2. So chlorine also given electron to oxygen. That's why plus 1. Okay, leave it, sir. Fine. This is oxidizing agent. Next, note down reducing agent. Reducing agent. Exactly opposite. You have to write definition. Reducing agent. You need to write definition, sir. It undergo oxidation or not? It undergo oxidation. It gain electrons or lose electrons, sir? It lose electrons. And it have minimum oxidation state, sir. Or it having minimum oxidation state. Minimum oxidation number. So it readily lose electrons. Right. H2S. Sulfur is minus 2, sir. It can act as reducing agent. So sulfur is minus 2. It can lose electrons up to S0. It may can lose S plus 1. May can lose plus 2, plus 4, up to plus 6. It can lose, sir. Because sulfur is maximum can lose only 6 electrons. S minus 2 plus 6 is oxidation. Plus 6 2 minus 2 is reduction. Both are opposite to each other. Then do now ammonia can act as reducing agent or oxidizing agent, sir. Ammonia minus 3. So N minus 3. It can go up to N0 or plus 1. N plus 3. N plus 5. So these can show reducing agents. I minus may can lose I2 0. Here N2 services. Maybe I plus 1, I plus 3, I plus 5. I plus 7 also can show, sir. So this is lose of electrons means opposite should be reduction. So reducing agent. Reducing agent. And now take break. I think your class is over. This is try to practice and read your NCERT textbook redox reactions. Up to after this, leave one paper. Only one paper, sir. You can leave one paper after this. Okay. Redox reactions. I given sliding also. Again, you are asking which chapter means what I can do for you. NCERT also redox reaction is your chapter name. After that, oxidation number. Rules you can write, sir. Oxidation number. All the rules I given in your class notes, please note down. Or you may can see my video also I given all the rules. That all rules you can note down. Tomorrow we'll discuss directly because already completed. I'm not going to give again one more time. Calculation of oxidation number. Some rules I dictated. Again note down. After one paper, leave one paper, then note down oxidation number and its rules. Then we'll discuss tomorrow. Yes, 5 or 6 rules. Please note down. Then come tomorrow. We'll discuss. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. Okay. If you want already explain oxidation number, you may can see our video or you may can look your class notes also. Fine. Take break. Now have class another class. You may can contact personally, whatever you can send through WhatsApp. We'll respond that is. This is class may not be good. Okay, fine.